What's up, y'all? It's your boy Tony.
And it's Kiki.
And today, we're in Puerto Rico. We just want to show y'all a little bit of the stuff that we're experiencing so far. We got here yesterday, and we wasn't able to make y'all a video yesterday because it was the pre-turn up, and we was on a plane all day, so we didn't really feel like it. But we got 4 days left, and we're ready to get ready.
Absolutely. We was going to go to the Rainforest tour today, but we decided to cancel because it was supposed to rain. But I think that there is a rain cloud over there. We're not sure. But for my birthday tomorrow, that's why we're on this trip, we are doing ATV riding, and I can't be any more excited. So that's going to be fun. Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
First thing on our agenda, in about an hour, we're about to go find some good breakfast. Hopefully, I tried some Chinese food last night. That was nasty. But we're gonna try something else, and we're gonna bring y'all with us.
Absolutely. Make sure y'all give us a freaking subscribe because we are starting back up again, and we wanted to start back up the right way with a nice vlog, you know.
And just showing y'all something y'all don't get to see every day, which is Puerto Rico, because I know I ain't never seen it until now when I'm here.
Right, because, yeah, it's just something different, you know? Yeah.
By the way, y'all, right now, it is 8:37 a.m. and most likely 6:30 for y'all, so it's pretty early.
Yep. But we're about to eat at this nice restaurant. It's called Panties
Or something.
Panties. Okay,
You gotta say it with the
I'm sorry. Okay.
double something.
Somebody recommended it to me on my TikTok. Shout out to you. Thank you so much. I'm sure it's about to be amazing. But yeah, stay tuned for more. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiki, and then we are back. We are about to go to breakfast, brunch, lunch.
Panties, or whatever it's called.
Panties, yes. I got dressed. I'm wearing a dress from Shein this time. We have to walk there. It's literally right up the road though. But yeah. Oh, I did my makeup for the first time. You cannot tell me this does not look good. I tried. But you have any words?
We're about to eat this food. I'm hungry as I don't know what. And stay tuned. We're gonna show y'all what it's looking like.
Yes.
The Placita de Santurce.
La Placita. I got that in my notes.
There you go. Well, I don't know. Whoever gave you the info, you should be giving the props because they're taking care of you. If you happen to be in Ocean 1, there's going to be a place here. Let me get you here.
We just got done eating, drinking plenty of mimosas, and we feeling turned up. We about to get ready to go back to the hotel and change our clothes.
Wait, get him.
Check this out. That's
X-Man.
no,
Oh.
that ain't his name.
Spider-Man?
No, not that neither.
Shitty.
I don't even remember his name, but y'all seen it. It's lit around here. It's nice though. It's what our Magic Puerto Rico.
I was just gonna say.
I'm just being real to the YouTube family.
I just got wet. There's little droplets and stuff.
Shanice.
Right, she camera shy and shit. Get her ass. Yeah. Babe.
Okay, but yeah, y'all. We're about to go in the hotel and change our clothes, and we're gonna update y'all when we at the beach.
Absolutely, let's go.
You
shit, get her hat, get her hat, get her hat. Get her hat, get her hat. Go, 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 go. Not say ay ay. What is up, y'all? And y'all see we got these masks on our face. What do y'all think we're about to do?
ATV riding.
Yes!
And we bringing y'all with us.
Heck yeah. You see the fit? Oh, it's my birthday! I forgot. How'd I forget? Y'all see the cup? Bad and boozy. Let's get it.
You said boozy.
That's what it says.
Boozy?
Yeah.
I'm weak.
Yes, bad and boozy. Okay, y'all, but stay tuned for the ATV rides because it's about to get a little dirty. Okay? See y'all.
Put that work in.
Babe.
It happened once, so then I just start going crazy.
Oh my god.
You see my shoe?
Look at your shirt.
That's because when we went through the photos, I be pushing it.
I do too. Y'all want something? Huh?
Y'all, yeah, we wrote ATVs today.
Videos
We got a lot of content in my phone.
on yours?
We wasn't able to record a lot because it was raining.
Yeah. But
I was going fast as hell.
But guess what I did? So like I had like a little phone thing, lanyard thing, and I like bit like the part that you put your phone in so it doesn't like get rained on. I bit it like this and I had it like hanging, so I got like good clips. It looks like we did like GoPro.
GoPro. We had a lot of fun. That's the funnest thing we did on all our vacations going on. Like no cap. Because the rainforest, it was just different. It wasn't man-made.
Yeah. It was very
like,
tropical.
You look around, everywhere you look, it's a rainforest. Like, we was up in the clouds, in the mountains, in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Yeah, it was so
living life,
pretty.
enjoying ourselves, riding some monsters, ATVs.
On
shit
my
kept getting
birthday.
water in it because I was going crazy.
Oh my gosh, you had to stop like a couple times. Oh my god, and this one girl flipped on hers, y'all.
Flipped off her thing.
Like literally.
In the rain. While
In
it was
the
raining
rain.
cold and she had no clothes on.
Yep.
And landed in a puddle of mud.
Mud. Drenched. She's okay though, so that's good. But it was just crazy in the moment because we stopped and that's when I made that TikTok. And then we were just like, what's going on? Like we were there for like, what, like 10 minutes? Yeah. But they called the paramedics and they came and got her, so.
But overall it was fun. My shoes, I now gotta clean them.
Man, mine too though.
No.
My Easy. Well, yeah, you had
My
like,
shit
his is bad. His is bad. You had like your socks.
I gotta put an insurance claim on them.
On your shoes?
Yeah.
Your freaking socks was bad though.
They got flooded. I'm gonna do a flood claim on them.
He's going too fast.
But it's not your birthday no more. How you feel?
I'm still 21 though, and you're still 20.
21 years old and 24 hours.
Yeah. Not really.
24 in a day. For us. yes,
24?
21 in a day.
Not really.
Yes.
No. Because I still have 365 days to be 21.
But you're 21 in one day.
No. It don't make sense. If you turn a different number in one day, you're not 21 for one day. if I was 21 for one day,
You're 21
I would
and
be
1 day. 21 years, which is 365 days each year. Y'all do the motherfucking math.
No.
Plus 24 hours, which equals to 1 day and 33 minutes. That's how old.
What are you talking about?
It's 12:33.
If I turn 21 in 24 hours, I'll say I'm 20. I turned 21 on December 19th, and I turned back 20 today. The 20th. Our anniversary. Well, proposal anniversary. Can't believe that's been a year. Oh my gosh.
I know y'all seen that video. It went crazy.
It did.
When I made it, I wasn't even trying to make it go viral.
Just made it because it's us.
This is Barack. Overall, y'all, we is loving Puerto Rico. It's a very different experience for us, and we're definitely gonna come back.
It's a must.
Many
Y'all come
times.
here. Y'all have to visit here at least once in your life. It's beautiful. It really is.
Yeah.
It's so different. It's so different. I love it. It's a good different though. Y'all gotta come.
Yeah, if you don't have a good time, come here.
It's de la cancha.
The background of where I'm at right now.
The what? Backbone.
The background of where I'm at right now. Like, just look behind me. I'm sitting on a rooftop.
It's
Somewhere.
not a rooftop, babe. Oh, by the way, I did my own makeup.
And it looks fabuloso. Hey, you guys, this is day 3. We're gonna be back to y'all tomorrow with some more new, different content. Cause we about to finish turning up. We just had to get y'all a quick update real quick so y'all won't be wondering what's going on with us. But tomorrow you're gonna see some more of what we doing and experience something y'all ain't never experienced before. So just stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, which most of y'all do, but if you don't, go ahead and do that. I'm about to have more content up there for y'all soon. Yeah, I'm about to start showing y'all the light. So yeah, stay tuned tomorrow. You're gonna see what we got going on. Show y'all a little something. Peep the drip. You see it. G-U-C-C-I. The Gucci's down to the motherfucking socks and shoes.
Wowzers.
Tomorrow, I ain't gonna tell y'all what we're doing, but y'all gonna see. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying. Follow me on Instagram, TonyLeach6. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the post notification bell so you know every time we post. We're back on that grind.
Like it up.
We appreciate everyone who has been waiting on our videos, letting us know that y'all loyal subscribers, following.
Loyal team. Family.
We want to keep y'all going behind us and helping us grow because without y'all, there will be no nothing. But yeah, like I said,
Do I look like the emoji?
tomorrow we gonna get with y'all. Y'all gonna see some more of this San Juan, Puerto Rico, baby.
Heck yeah. All right. We out. What I gotta do it up here? Okay. Oh, that looks good.
So last day here, we cherishing it. Just spending the day relaxing.
Yes.
We had a great time. Yeah. We leave tomorrow. We had a great time overall though. Puerto Rico, we will be back. We love it so much.
Loved it. Loved it. It was such a refresh. I don't know. A new place.
Yeah. Y'all see the background? It's beautiful.
It's cold. I can't do it.
It's cold. I'm glad we was able to actually capture some content for y'all to see on this trip because normally we do real bad at that.
Yes, I'm so glad y'all got to see what we got to do. We literally recorded so much for y'all. I know y'all been asking, so we had to make it special. A great, like, new chapter, kind of restart because we've been slacking. And we also have a new house, so
Stay tuned for that.
stay tuned for that.
We're definitely gonna show y'all the moving process. The
Moving
new house.
process, the unfurnished tour, a furnished tour. Y'all just gonna see everything now. So we're gonna get back into the YouTube.
Yep. And y'all stay tuned. Like I said, that's it for our Puerto Rico trip. I'm glad y'all could follow along with us and experience it with us. But if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit that post notification bell, like the video, and if you're feeling froggy, share it.
Oh, I liked it. I like that. Yeah.
But yeah, until next time, which is very, very soon. So make sure y'all do what I just said so y'all know how soon that soon is.
Did you say put that bell on though?
Yes.
Oh,
that way
yeah.
they know when we post the next video.
Yeah. Oh! He got my butt.
But yeah, y'all. Until next time.
Bye.